so weak! But not as weak as them.
Drop the key card.
Well, look at you. Here I thought no one would show me some fangs, but I guess you're a bit different, ain't ya?
Knock it off. Your back is against the wall and that sorry excuse of a plan has failed. If anything, you and your posse of losers are the weakest I've seen. I've set my bar low, but I guess not low enough.
So you'd think.
Tell me, how'd you do it?
You'd patronize me even when you've lost your outpost? Careful, bravery is often confused for stupidity. The Frost Spirit served its purpose. Like bees, if you take the queen, you can control the hive. It was only a matter of giving them a portal to the overworld and a target. But enough of that. It looks like my time is up.
It sure is. Although, I have to thank you for figuring out cross-realm travel for us. I feel like I'm cheating on a test. Now drop it, big boy.
Fine then, take it.
Over to the portal controller. Get that door open.
Now, let's see what secrets you're hiding, little guy.